My today's topic is how some people got relief from the punishment in the grave, azab qabar, are narrated by Sheikh-ul-Hadees Zakaria Kandhalvi, the author of Tabligh Jamaat's book Fazael-e-Aamal. Buried, and Allah sent the uh, angels of punishment, यानी azab देने वाले फरिश्तों को he sent to punish that person in the grave. Okay. Khaja Usman Haruni was passing by. He saw, what is this? He is my murid. How can they do it? Then he comes to the, he tells the angels of Farishta, Azab Khabar ke Farishton, get out of here. He is my murid. You can't do it. And the angels, the Farishta, they left the place. That means the angels disobeyed the command of Allah and obeyed the command of Khaja Usman Haruni, MashaAllah. Story of a young person who has the capacity to know the inside of the grave, as to what is happening inside the grave of the dead person. Mother of the young person dies and she was buried and she was being punished. This young person gets annoyed as to how to relieve her mother. A sheikh was sitting in front of him. It was, Sheikh, my mother is getting punished. The sheikh has a stock of 75,000 kalimas in his account. He immediately transfers those 75,000, the reward of 75,000 kalimas, to the account of that lady, and that lady gets relieved immediately. Who had the capacity to look inside the grave gets surprised and says, Sheikh, my mother is relieved from the punishment of the grave. Here it shows that Allah has destined punishment for that lady, but this person interceded. That means he transferred his account to that lady, and that lady got relieved. La hawla wa la quwwata. And first of all, no one knows what is going on inside the grave. No one knows. Lanatullahi al-Kazibin. These Sufis, they tell such nonsense stories. Lanatullah.